First to the car. It hasn't been started in the past 2 weeks, so we need to start the car or the battery might die. I just saw that in Facebook. Somebody was suggesting that I think every 2 weeks, if you're not using your car, you have to start it so that the battery won't die out on you. Okay, so we're going down to the car. Well, hopefully it starts, first of all. I was told you have to rev it for a couple of minutes at 2000 RPM, and then for about 10 minutes just let it run idle. So we're gonna do that now. Well, it started, so it's good. 2000 RPM. Seems to be working fine. Aircon's okay. So 2000 RPM, and leave it for an idle for a couple of minutes, and that's it. Then I guess wait for another week or two. Hopefully this quarantine will be lifted so we can use the car and dress up.